Alright, Integra Type S, 14,000 miles, already cracked the upper coolant tank. Took that out. As you can see, cracks from the back, coolant everywhere. Went ahead and bought the Mishimoto replacement unit. Sight glass, looks like shit, but whatever. About to pop this in, and then shouldn't have this problem anymore. So when you're replacing this, you gotta unhook a bottom hose and a top hose, but I recommend investing in a set of these rubber plugs. Some people use clamps, some people use things, but if you just remove it and plug it real quick, you can usually buy them in a pack of various sizes. You can do some pretty good work. Once you hook up all the lines, it should look like this. There's two 10 mils, one there, one there. It comes with a new cap. However, Mishimoto doesn't have the best reputation for their radiator caps, so I'll probably just throw the OEM one back on, if it even screws on, but it should. Alright, so we're about to fill this up. The Mishimoto instructions tell you to basically remove the engine to replace this, but all you need to do is the two lines that run to the tank, plug them quickly, swap the tank out, fill up to the sight glass, level with that embossed bump that says nothing under it. Basically just fill it up to match that line in the glass, and that'll be it. So we're gonna do that now. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a line there. My car's kind of at an angle, so I just kind of match up the lines. Probably top it off once it's on level ground, but you could probably use some AutoZone coolant, but you know, OEM is best. Same with the rad cap, OEM is best. Okay, so supposedly it's a self-bleeding system, but the recommended thing to do is set all your heater on high, fan on lowest speed. Come back around. Cap is off. Bubbles are doing things. Probably just gonna let it run until it gets up to temp, or if things start going sour. But yeah, you should just be able to let it run. The sight glass might maybe adjust. Yeah, just let it do its thing for a bit. It's a self-bleeding system according to everything I see online, so after it gets up to temp, probably just cut it, top it off, cap it, should be good to go. Alright, I let it run for 15 minutes or so and got up to temp, no overheating. Yeah, nothing spilled out. Once it's on level ground, I'll probably just check the level, check the sight glass, make sure it's at the same line again. That should be it. Highly recommend it, because yours is gonna crack.